In
Oh.
1990s, ang dami natin mga high-profile cases of road rage. But even today, wala tayong batas on anti-road rage law. So, ibig sabihin,
Mm.
nasaan yung ating prioridad, no? And this is where BTS will come in dahil kami naman, ako, lalo na ako personally, my expertise on the transport laws will play a part in seeing to it that we will have a meaningful representation in the Congress.
So, yung dalawang sinabi po ninyo na wala pa tayong batas, kasama po yan sa mga ipupursige
Well,
ninyo?
kasama po yan. One of the iconic legislations that we will push is the integration of road safety education in our public educational system. Ibig
Paano
sabihin,
yun?
mula pa lang sa elementary, high school, and college, i-integrate natin yan doon sa module ng DepEd curriculum so that even at a younger age, yung mga bata alam na nila kung paano tumawid doon sa ating mga kakalsadahan. Imaginein mo yan ngayon, kung noon may mga nakikita tayo mga signages na stop, look, and listen, hindi na natin nakikita ngayon yan.
Yeah,
Ang
yeah.
nakikita natin doon sa mga LGU's initiative na mga nakalagay, fencing, yung
Oo.
pedestrian crossing. And that's a very distortion of educating the youth. Because how will you know that even fencing is a pedestrian crossing? So, ibig
Yeah.
sabihin yan, ang proposal natin dito, Maricel, is that magkaroon tayo ng halimbawa National Road Safety Council or National Road Safety Commission or even a task force at that because nagagawa naman ng gobyerno to doon sa mga ibang halimbawa yung sektor na lang ng LGBTQ. Meron silang council which was signed by knowledge by the sitting president now. So ang punto ko diyan, hanggat wala tayong nagtitimon nito, someone who will champion the cause dito sa Congress, may hirapan tayo dito sa ating mga numero.